video, I'm gonna introduce you to a new free AI with unlimited access to a new universe. Without any cent, trust me, you will find out it soon. You only have to wait it for 5 minutes, then if it's worth or not, you will find out. So let's swim into the video. First, in the search box, you have to search Vheer AI. This is an AI which can create anything without any paying cent. In here, then you go to the home page. The first and main thing you have to do is only sign up. This only required, like here you can sign up. So in the top you can see some AI tools like text to image, image to image, image to video. But in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a video from image. First you have to click this and you come to like this place. In here, like this video, look, like funny videos, cat videos, or even advertisement. Look at this. So first click this button and you come in here. You have to upload your image or you gonna turn into a video. So let's upload the image like okay, let's turn this. In here I will enter prompt like fighting with each other. In here, like then let's generate, and it's unlimited and free. The best part it's the even the quality model. Here are some pro models, max models, but it's you have to pay. Even it's paying, I don't think it's maybe too much or not. But here we the topic. Yeah, it's only $10, like $10. All the products like 60 credit month pro, no watermark, pro max model, high speed, high quality, no ads. But even it's here, zero, it's have all the products free and unlimited and no watermark. The best thing is that. So let's go to the page. Yeah. And then let's generate. This might be take like 2 minutes, like you know. So let's wait and see. Look at guys. So what I got. It's the fact is not like in the picture, but it's worth now because it's unlimited and free. So that's it today. But in the next video, I will give you a hint. In the next video, I'm gonna give you a little peek, something like if you are content creator who want to create a new YouTube channel like with AI, I will give you a little secret. So don't forget to subscribe, comment what you want to know if you have some question. So bye, see you in the next week.